That's what a solo is all about.
Beautiful, beautiful landing, just gorgeous.
Hey, I got one tire on the ground and the right one came back up again and I just cut the power and it settled. Woo!